So guys, this is day number 3 and we're going to install the window frames, and for that I created a platform about the same height as the tablet where the window will sit on, and I'm going to try to lift it up and then juggle it up here. So that's going to be a bit of messing around, but hopefully that's going to work. And again, I'm on my own, so I have to work a bit careful. Now the thing to watch out for if you do this kind of work is that the opening has to be correct. In other words, the window should not fall through, so you should have a rim, an edge on the side here. That's where you should have that. And of course the height should be adjusted accordingly. Now on this specific window we have a small little issue whereby the top part is actually an arc and the window frames don't have an arc. So I will have to put in an adjustment piece later on. But let me now put up that window frame. Pivoting always works fine, so you don't get a fraction of the weight. So now that will be a little bit tricky. But once I get it on the edge, I should be okay. Alright. Now to make sure that it's not going to fall out, I'm going to install a stud. So this is a handy stud, guys. You can turn it. So this will prevent the window from falling back out my way. Alright. And now we need to lift it over the rim, because there's still the rim at the bottom side. So let's try to do it. Heavy, but yeah, there we go. And now it's a matter of spacing it right. The next thing we need to do is to make sure that the window frame is actually level. And as you can see, it is not 100%. We need to lift it a bit on that side, and therefore I'm using these little pieces of wood that I can knock in between to level that up. So let me just do that and see how that goes. We're almost there. A little bit more. Let's turn it around once and see what that gives us. That looks good. And you need to check, of course, in all kind of directions if things are level or not, and that looks to be the case. So let's see. Yeah, it needs to move a little bit more. So just let us do that. Let's check it out. Now that's a lot better. And of course we also need to check it if it's vertical okay, and this is looking quite all right. In fact, it just needs to move in a bit on the top, so let me lock that in place. Now that we have set the frame almost level, I'm going to use some spanners to hold the window frame in place before we apply all the foam to it. So that's an easy job to do, and see how that came. So that's all it takes, guys. It just holds it against the wall. Let me see if it's still level. because that's important, right? Yeah, that is level. In fact, I might push it a bit more. What you don't want to do is to deform the frame. Now that's a lot better. Let's check it here. Yeah, that is really good. I think this fits nicely. I'm going to check the other side equally. And that looks good. I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see it a bit better. All right, this is good stuff. And I need to push it a little bit up there. I can see that. I don't have a fancy spanner on this side, so I'll need to do it with something else. Right, so let's stick it there. All right, that looks good to me. That looks good. Right, last check. Level, level, level. So everything looks all right. Level and level. Yep. All right, that's good. So how are we doing here? Put a tablet. Yeah, that also looks good. Now on the edges I have a small gap, but that's okay. I don't worry too much about it. I will fill it up with foam. And the next thing we're going to do is to use some expansion foam for window installation. This is going to hold the frame very well into place. It's not going to come out, believe me. And afterwards I will still put some metal brackets, of course, as well, to certainly keep it in place. But before you can apply the foam, you need to make sure that the wall is dust free and that you actually spray it with a bit of water, so it is a bit humid, so it's better for the foam to stick to the surface. And of course I might have to tape off the sides because I don't want to spoil the oak, although I have plenty of space, so I'm not really too much worried about that part. But still, let me put up some tape and then we'll see how we go about it. That's the arc we've cut, and I fitted it onto the top of the window frame, and it's a bit too high, so I need to cut off a little piece. So let us do that first of all, and then we should be good to go. So this is the view of the tower from the outside, and you can actually see where we have fitted the first window. Of course the wings are not in yet, that's something that will come later. Right now it's a matter of making sure that the window frame is solid in place, and then I will install the second window. So now it's time to install the arches, and this is the arch that we prepared before, and now I can actually glue it in place. check the outside if it's flush, and it is. I'm just going to lock it in place so it can't move. With these little wigs. And that's it for now. Both window frames are installed, and now it's a matter of cleaning up and putting some oil or some special varnish onto the oak so it's protected, because I don't have the glazing yet. An excessive foam that's in the way, you can remove it very simply with a saw blade, and I'm using an old wood saw for that. And that's all what it takes. Some people do it with a sharp knife, you can do that as well. And once you're done with the foam, you need to clean the gun. And you can buy expensive solvents to clean the gun, but I'm using acetone. You know, it's a product that ladies use to remove the nail polish. It works just perfectly. You just spray it in there and then put some compressed air through it and then pull the trigger so it comes out on the other side, and that's all what you need to do. A lot cheaper than all these expensive products. So folks, I have the two window frames installed. Of course, this is not finished yet. I still need to do some more work. I need to protect the oak at the inside now. I'm going to put some kind of a special varnish on that. It's not really varnish, it's more a kind of an oily thing that's going to get into the wood. So I'm going to protect that because I suspect I might get some rain, and I don't want to have stains on the oak, because oak is staining badly if it's get wet. And meanwhile, I will also start working on the wings because I still have to paint the wings, and I'm still waiting for the glass. So as soon as I have the glass, then you see me doing all the glazing and putting all the panels into the window frames. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.